Oh my god.
Hi.
No. Oh my god. Good morning, guys. It's Friday and I'm just making my coffee. The roads still look a little bit bad, so I think I'm just gonna bike at home this morning, and then when I go to ship orders this afternoon, try to go hit a leg workout. So I'm gonna have my coffee, do a little online browsing, and then get biking. Okay, so I'm watching Ali Step Dallas's vlogs, her detox vlogs while I'm biking. Sorry if it's loud. 45 minutes cardio, gonna do my orders and then go lift. Know how I feel about the glare. I talk about some of my favorite training tools for 2018. That was really hard. All right, so this is actually what happened. Just gonna have a half scoop of the Garden of Life chocolate organic plant-based protein and some water before I go and lift. I just got home from the gym, showered, and now I'm making lunch. And this is like, I make my dressings kind of backwards, where I do it in a bowl and then I just massage the kale or spinach into this bowl so I don't have multiple bowls. But I'm just mixing up some lemon, Greek yogurt, garlic, stevia, Dijon, and I'm probably gonna add some apple cider vinegar. So we've got asparagus, spring mix, spinach, chicken, some sauerkraut, and some fennel, and that is my Buddha bowl for the day. I wanted to share some supplements that I have. I'm working on a post for Weatherspoon featuring the Hannah products. This is their powdered ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is really good for a lot of different reasons, stress hormones. And then they sent the One Hannah Daily Superfood Botanical Supplement. And Areva lanata, calamus, bale tree, shatavari, buhavi, ivy gourd, ceravan, desmascha, mala bush beech, Baroxylium, arani castor, polycosano, arrowleaf, yellow fruit nightshade, tribulus, testries, and mung bean. What? Oh my god.
Hi.
No. Oh my god.
17 favorites, Haley, and I talk about the May movement bracelets, and I also talk about you.
I wish I could talk to you
Also,
right
Haley,
now.
I
just love him. I'm watching Christopher's Instagram live. Hey babe. He just gave me a shout out. He's so sweet.
String beans and potatoes, and then we had ice cream and nuts and bananas for dessert.
Aww. I heard you guys got quite the storm last night.
Oh God, yeah. The 8 feet high on both sides of the staircase.
Oh my gosh.
All right, what can I get started for you today?
May I have a medium roast coffee with 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla, 2 Splenda, and a shot of half and half, please?
2 Splenda and half and half. Anything else?
That's it.
All right, I'll be $2.75 against the window, miss. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Hi, how are you?
Yeah, $2.75.
Can I also pay for the lady behind me?
Yeah, sure, if you like.
Yeah.
The $2.75 for yours.
Tell her to have a really awesome day. Okay, I have a little kindness story for you guys. I was at Starbucks and our drive-through has a curb in it, and I told the barista, I was like, hey, if there's anyone behind me, I'd like to pay for them. And he goes, oh, okay. And comes back, and then he goes, well, it's $13. And then says, and she drives an Audi, so I think you're okay if you want to back out. And I was like, no, like I said, I was gonna pay for it. Like, I'm all in. And he's like, okay. So I paid for mine and hers and was sitting at the red light getting ready to leave. So she pulls up next to me and she had tears in her eyes and she just started thanking me. And I was like, no, really, it's on me. Like, enjoy your day. And she's like, no, my best friend just passed away and I really needed someone to be carrying. You know, it's not about the fact that she could afford the coffee. She needed someone to care, and that's what it's about. That's what like paying it forward means. I was gonna go to Trader Joe's, but it's already 4 o'clock and it's like 35-40 minutes away, so might do that tomorrow. I'm kind of hungry. I haven't had lunch, just had breakfast. So. My mom just texted me and she's like a mile down the street at Marshall's, And one of my, like, obviously I'm not spending any money that's like unnecessary this year, or I'm gonna start doing that. And she's like, hey, I'm at Marshall's, like, come on. And I was like, I don't know. I can't, I shouldn't. Haley, no, Haley, no. We're going home. We're going home and we're meal prepping. We're going home.
Where are you?
I'm at Staples in Price's Corner.
I'm going to be leaving here in about 15 minutes. Do you remember the planner thing that we got that we took back?
I'm so weak. I also just made my dad and my brother some of these little like blintzes. They're just the 90 I think they're 90 calorie. The low fat crescent rolls, some goat cheese, and some cranberry preserves. We've got Brussels sprouts, the low fat, low carb cheesy chicken enchiladas. I'll have the recipes down below. We've got like a chicken stew, kind of, you know, roasted chicken dish, orange chicken, and sauerkraut for my Buddha bowls. I'm trying to get work done, but I'm having like way too much fun. Christina Brawley and I are Snapchatting. Well, we're bitmojing. Emojiing. She's the best. I just love her. Christina, if you see this, I'm 100% entertained right now. This is way better than like doing any work. Just so you can see where this conversation is going. Christina, I hope you don't mind I put this on here. So my mom just comes downstairs. She looks like a pirate. What'd you got?
So, well, I found some of the things that you like to collect in the Ray Dunn.
She's on the Ray Dunn hunt for me when she's out and about.
So there's Good Dog.
I like the top.
That's right.
That's the one I really liked. I don't even have a dog, but one day, well, I mean, my own dog.
No, you don't have a dog, you have 2 dogs.
No, but you know what I mean.
So,
all right, I'm gonna let her finish this and upload this video.
you gotta be so excited.
Oh my god!